okay if we don't look too close into the mirror. Just do as they say.